Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Tessel Tutor. Today, we're on a language journey tailored for beginners. We're going to explore the world of pronouns, those magical words that make sentences less repetitive and more engaging. Pronouns help us avoid using the same noun over and over, and in this video, we'll learn what pronouns are, how they work, and how to use them effectively. Let's get started on our pronoun adventure. First, let's understand what pronouns are. Pronouns are words that replace nouns. Instead of repeating the same noun in a sentence, we use pronouns to make our sentences clearer and more concise. Pronouns can represent people, places, things, and even ideas. For instance, instead of saying, John is a good student, you can say, he is a good student, where he is a pronoun representing John. Pronouns come in various types, and today we'll explore a few common ones. Personal pronouns. These replace people or things and can be used to represent the speaker, the listener, or someone or something else. Demonstrative pronouns. These point to specific things and help us indicate which one we're talking about. Possessive pronouns. These show ownership or possession. Let's start with personal pronouns, which are used to replace people or things and can take the place of the speaker, the listener, or someone or something else. I like bananas. I is a personal pronoun. She is my trainer. She's a personal pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things and help us indicate which one we're talking about. This is my hat. This is a demonstrative pronoun. Those sunglasses are nice. Those is a demonstrative pronoun. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. This is my computer. My is a possessive pronoun. That is her phone. Her is a possessive pronoun. Using pronouns can make your sentences smoother and less repetitive. Pronouns come before verbs. For example, she takes pictures. You can use pronouns to avoid repeating nouns. Instead of saying the monkey is funny, it is funny. Let's address a couple of common mistakes beginners make when using pronouns. Common mistake 1. Misusing it for people. Be careful when using it to refer to people. It is typically used for things or animals, not people. Correct, the elephant is big. It is big. Incorrect, the elephant is big. He is big. Avoid overusing nouns when you can use pronouns to make your sentences smoother. Correct, Sarah is my boss. She is smart. Incorrect, Sarah is my boss. Sarah is smart. It's practice time. I'll give you a sentence and you can find the pronoun. We have a big family. He is a doctor. They're having spaghetti for dinner. Great job, beginners. You've taken the first step in understanding pronouns. Keep practicing activities with the Tessel Tutor app at tesseltutor.ca, and you'll soon be able to use pronouns effectively to make your English smoother and more engaging. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ESL content. If you have questions or need further practice, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.